Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. Madam Glam sent me some gel paints to try out. So this is what the box looks like from the front, and I'm just gonna be showing what it looks like from the back and the sides as well. There are 12 gel paints included in this kit as it says on the box, and the colors are white, black, red, pink and brown, to name a few. It also says that the gel paints are highly pigmented, so we will see if this is a true statement or not. So the color I wanted to use is this pink gel paint because I wanted to recreate a design I saw on Instagram a while ago. I was going to open all the gel paints for y'all to see, but when I saw how perfectly sealed this pink gel paint was, I knew it was going to be difficult, and it really was difficult to remove the seal from the pink gel paint. So I did not open all the other gel paints. However, the color shown on the cap of the gel paint is a perfect match to what's inside. They also sent a gel applicator brush. Yes, they sent one gel applicator brush in that big box. Now I'm using the Apres Dupe method, and I already picked out my full coverage tips, and I got these tips from Amazon. And I will also be using my Bellavena Gel X Kit to do this nail set, and I got this from Amazon as well. So I applied peel base and base coat to my natural nails off camera to save some time. Next, I applied base coat to the nail tip, and then I placed the nail tip on my nail and made sure to apply pressure, and then I cured in the lamp. I made sure to do that for all of the nails, and also don't forget to put on the nail lamp first before applying the nail tip to your natural nail. It makes the process go by a lot easier. So I'm just going to apply the full coverage nail tips to all of the nails. Now I'm just going to shape the nails a bit. And these nails are in the length extra long, and I really like the curvature of the nails. They have a really good apex. Then I'm just going in with my cuticle bit around the cuticle area to remove any of the base coat that may have seeped out of the nail. Then I buff the nails to remove the shine. Now I'm using Indonesia, which is one of Madam Glam's gel polishes, so I'm using that as a nail bed color. So I applied my first layer but I think this was a little too light, so I decided not to use that gel polish. Then I picked out No Angel, which was a bit too dark. It was a nice nail bed color, but I think it was a bit too dark for this nail design. So I ended up using India, which was just right. So let me know in the comments which one you would have preferred to use as a nail bed color. I really liked how India looked. So I did that and then I cured for 30 seconds. Then I did 2 more layers, curing each time for 30 seconds. Now I'm using this nail art brush and the pink gel paint to create some deep French smile line, and I'm just going to be creating an anchor of how high I want the French nail to be. So I placed a line at the center of the nail and then 2 lines on either side at the cuticle area of the nail. And then I just connect it like so. I don't know if I explained that correctly because I really don't know how to explain these things, but I hope you all can understand from what you all are seeing. Next, I just filled in the tip of the nail. And then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. So this is how it looks, and I think I did an okay job for my first time drawing in a deep French nail. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I did one more layer on this nail, but I didn't show that one. Now I did the same for the index nail, and with each nail I did, I got better at it. However, I still have a lot to learn because these nails took forever to complete. This was very time consuming, I'm not gonna lie. It took me a while to get those nails perfectly Frenched. Well, you know, perfectly, yeah, I don't know what to say, but it took me a while to get them and they were not even that great. I could have done a better job, but for a beginner I think I did okay. just okay. You know, I could do better, but we will get there with practice and time. And I actually think this nail design was inspired by this TV show called Euphoria. I'm not too sure because I saw someone doing it on Instagram and I don't know where her inspiration came from, but I think I saw that design somewhere else and someone said it was from the show called Euphoria. I've never watched it. Might watch it someday, but you know, I'm not that interested in watching it because I have Bridgerton to watch. I have other shows to watch right now. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you all watch Bridgerton and Euphoria as well. I'm interested to know what it's about. So these are all the nails with one layer of the gel paint, and these are the nails with 2 layers. Next, I top coated the nails with Madam Glam Velvet Matte top coat, and then I cured for 30 seconds. Next, I'm going to be using these pearl rhinestones on the nails. So the first one doesn't have a flat back, it's a rounded rhinestone. So I don't think it would be wise to use this rhinestone on matte nails since I have to use gel glue to apply it. And this rhinestone might be rolling around on the nail and it would make the matte area too shiny in certain areas and cause kind of streaks, because you know I'm kind of clumsy too, so I wouldn't have a steady hand when doing this. So I don't think it would be wise to use the rounded rhinestones. Now the flat back pearls would be the best decision because you know it's flat, it wouldn't move anywhere. Once you put it one place, it stays right there. So that's what I'm going to be using today, and I got these pearls from one of my McCart sub box. I don't know which one. Now I'm using my McCart rhinestone glue to adhere the pearls. I also really wished I had some smaller pearl rhinestones as well. I didn't really like that there were only the large rhinestones. I wanted a mixture of the small ones with the larger ones, but the nail design still looked okay, so I didn't mind. Then when I'm complete with all the nails, I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. So this is what they are looking like, and I think they look really good, but for some reason looking at these nails is kind of triggering me. The pearls are kind of triggering me and I don't know why, because when I did them they were not triggering me, but for some reason right now they are. So that's weird, but the nails still look good. Let me know what you think about this design. Let me know if y'all are triggered, by the way, because I don't know why I'm feeling like this. Then I'm just going to be using some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails. And this is the finished look, so let me know what you think about this nail design in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.